As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at portable grills. I see the Bighorn Outdoors infrared grill and the Weber Traveler. What are the key differences?
Okay, let's break it down. The Bighorn is all about searing power. It hits a crazy 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit using infrared, which is really fast. And it only costs $199.99 right now. The Weber Traveler, on the other hand, maxes out at 12,000 BTUs, and it's priced higher at $449.
Wow, 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit? That's intense. What's the BTU on the Bighorn?
It's got 19,000 BTUs. So yeah, it's designed for high heat cooking. Think steakhouse quality searing. The Weber is more of an all-rounder, with a lower, more manageable heat.
Okay, that makes sense. What about size and portability? I need something easy to move.
The Bighorn is smaller, with dimensions of 16 dx 21.5 inches, wx 15.4 inches h, and weighs about 31 pounds. It's tabletop, so you'll need a surface to put it on. The Weber is larger at 42.72 dx 43.6 inches, wx 37.2 inches h, but it has an attached cart with wheels, making it super easy to move around. Plus, it folds down. It's a bit heavier at 32 pounds.
So the Weber is more convenient for moving around, even though it's slightly heavier. What about cooking space?
The Weber has a larger cooking area. It can fit about 15 burgers or 20 sausages. The Bighorn is smaller, with a 13-inch heating aperture. It can cook 2 large steaks at once, but overall, it's less space.
Gotcha. So Bighorn for searing, Weber for overall grilling and portability. What about cleaning?
The Bighorn boasts dishwasher-safe components, which is a definite plus. The Weber is porcelain-coated steel, so it's relatively easy to clean, but not dishwasher-safe.
Okay, last question. What about fuel?
Both are propane grills. The Weber Traveler is designed for a 1 lb propane tank, but can use a 20 lb tank with an adapter. The Bighorn doesn't mention tank size specifically.
Okay, thanks. That really helps. It sounds like the Bighorn is great if I'm primarily searing steaks, and the Weber is better for general grilling and moving around.
Exactly. It depends on your grilling style and what you value most.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.